Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. And I've got my voice back. If you saw my video on Friday of my unboxing of my play button, you'll know that my voice was just, it had given up. It had gone, so it's 99% back now, so it might go a little husky. Apologies if it does, but thankfully able to get this filmed for you. And this is using the new Hues of Happiness suite that you can get tomorrow, the 3rd of May. So it's lovely. We've got paper, we've got stamps, we've got dies, we've probably got a lot more than that. I can't remember, but I made a bag. So this is a no glue bag, and then I stamped and die cut and coloured the flowers here. But I'm going to do a slight variation on that. So if I scooch this up, no cut, no glue. Just files like that, and this is really rather lovely paper. Oh, this is new ribbon, so this is in colour ribbon, and thank you to the lovely Jill Chapman from my team, Paper Daisy Crafting, who at our retreat last weekend, or the weekend before, I don't know, sometime in April, I've lost track of where I'm filming, she pointed out that it's actually stretchy ribbon. So if you remember some copper trim we had a while back that stretched. Oh, focus on me, not everything else. So it stretches. I really don't know if that focus is going to work. My camera doesn't like me right now. But yeah, it stretches out. It doesn't it's not tubey like the copper trim was, but you can make it wider if you wish. So you can sort of see it there, it's just stretched out a little bit. Yeah, I did not know that. Thank you for that information, Jill. Okay, so let's get one of these made. So you need a piece of paper that's 12 by 12 inches or 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. So what I did, oh look, I'm just going to bring the paper out. I need to put that to one side. So we've got, it's stunning. It really is just gorgeous. You know, there's a rainbow going on, that's why I like it. But you can cross the rainbow, so this is the same pattern but different colours. Oh, I need that one. I'm nearly putting it away again. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful in its entirety. But let me put my scoreboard out. I'm going to die cut the flowers off the paper because that's always fun. Right, 12 by 12, 30.5 by 30.5 centimetres. Okay, on the first side, score it at 2 inches and 10 inches, and that will give you the mark that is here. So if you have a pattern that is the right way or a wrong way, start on the right side, you know, with it facing you correctly. So 2 inches and 10 inches. Which is 5 and 25.5 centimetres. Then you turn it and score it at 5 and 7 inches, which is 12.5 and 18 centimetres. Okay, let's grab a bone folder. And I want the more plain pattern because I do feel like the flowers did get a little bit lost on there. I'll own that one. Lost flowers. And bring these up. I'm sure I did a mini no cut, no glue bag recently. Did I? I don't know. I tend to get a little bit out of sync with my filming, particularly as we're ending a catalogue and starting a new catalogue. So actually, some of the stuff you're going to see over this coming month, I filmed a month ago from now. So it's taken 2 months from the point of filming to it coming to you because I'm closing off one catalogue and launching another. Whereas at the start of a catalogue, as we are right now, I'm filming kind of almost the day before, and in this case, actually the day before, just because I haven't got products in. Okay, so yeah, there's a good chance I filmed a mini version of this recently. I just don't remember. Okay, so with it this way round, so that's essentially going to be the front. Bring up the side, but what we want to do is get a score line going from this corner point out. And the simplest way to do it is to fold the side in, see where your score line is here, and start bending it round. This is very difficult to do it holding it in the air, but like so. And I'm just going to use my long strong nail to crease it. So you can see the score line. It's from this point here going out, but obviously there is nothing to look for in it in terms of measuring. So again, the same here, and I find if I put my fingernail at the point where I want that corner crease to be, that gives me a helpful guide. And like I say, I've got long nails, so I can score with my fingernail. If you don't, use a bone folder. So we'll do it bone folder style for you, so you can get a view of it too. I can't actually see because I'm looking at it at this angle and you're looking at, yeah, stick your head in the top of the camera. There's one there, and this one here, and now nobody can see anything. But the bone folder will do the same. Like I say, I've got long nails, so there we go. And you literally just fold it up, and that's your bag. And I quite like these little bits sticking out. I know some people are like, I don't like that. So you could put a nice firm score in there, and you could maybe push it inside if you preferred. Oh, should we do one that goes inside? Oh, we'll have that one outside and this one inside. Let's do that. Change. Okay, I'm going to grab this one. Why is the name just fallen out of my head? Sweet Sorbet. It's new, that's why the name fell out of my head. Where's my snips? Oh, I just had them. Oh, yeah, there's another pair. Yeah. Oh, while I remember, have you seen the special joining offer we've got? It starts tomorrow. So exciting. So the joining offer in the UK is you pay £99 and you can choose £130 worth of any products you like, and it will be shipped to you with free shipping and a business pack. So that's the usual joining offer. But for the month of May, but starting on the 3rd of May, you will also get all the in-colour stuffs included. So inks, cardstock, ribbons. Awesome. I better not say any more just in case I'm getting it wrong, but I will of course make sure all the details are on my blog. So if you click open the description bar, if you're watching this here on YouTube, click open the description bar and I will have the link for you. In Europe it is, I want to say it's £129 to join, and you get to choose 129 euros to join. I'm just going to confirm that in the back of my catalogue. So it is, yes, 129 euros to join, and you choose 175 euros worth of products. £99 in the UK, £130 worth of stuff, and then, like I say, all that free stuff. And it's like £80 worth of stuff for free. And so, of course, it's the new colours. Let me try and remember the colours. Sweet Sorbet, which is this ribbon I'm using now, and then we have Parakeet Party, but I keep wanting to call it Party Parakeet. Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis, oh that's cute inside, and Starry Sky. See, look, it's the same but different. Love it. Oh, right, stop talking, Sam. Here's the stamp set. Happiness Abounds and Blossoming Happiness are the dies. So you get outlines, but then you get intricate layers as well, and you get borders and things and stuff. So let's have a look and see which ones will work. So I'm just going to grab a bunch of these out and see which ones fit. So I'm pretty sure that's going to fit. It does. Hurrah. Does that one fit anything? That fit that one? It does. Or this one. We'll take that one. And I'm not sure that that's fitting anything, because that's fitting this little diddy one here. Oh, it probably would. It probably fit one of those, but, you know, too small. This one for sure fits this little guy down here. So this one. And what else fits? Is that going to fit that one? So that's going to fit this one. Ooh, loving this. This one is going to fit those. And this one is going to fit. It's like this little piggy, isn't it? This one's going to fit this one. This one's going to fit that. How cool is that? Loving it. Loving it. Probably not going to cut all of them because, you know... Oh, shall I? Oh, let's just do it. Yeah, no, it's not going to fit in my... I'm not going to be able to cut them all in one go and fit them all through my cut and emboss. I'll have a bash. I'll have a go. So I want a little bit of a mixture. And everybody's now screaming inside that I'm just butchering my piece of paper. But you know what? Buy more. Just buy more. Paper's there to be used. Right, so let's get this to fit. Because I've now lost it. Talk amongst yourselves while we're here. Right, let me get some tape. So I'm going to use this lovely tape that Rachel sent me. And Fauna particularly likes this stuff. She keeps coming and getting it off my desk. It's holding down this wood paper background thingy that I've got going on. And she keeps coming and ripping it off the side. So I'll turn to my desk and all my paper's rolled up. Clever kitty. Right, so I definitely want that one. And I wanted that one. Where did I say this one matched? That one. Is that going to fit? I think it's just about going to. That one fitted there, didn't it? When Sam concentrates, Sam does not talk. Sorry, everybody. I am still here. Probably, if you're less impatient than me, you could take a little bit more time than me, but I'm going to do my best to try and get this through all in one go. Wish me luck. So, the big cut and emboss is coming out to play. So what do I need? I need one. Do I need two? I think I need two. Clear plate. This lot. And another plate over the top. Yeah, all cut through. Awesome. One. Oh look, they're all connected. So I don't want to lose my dies because I had a lot on the go in one go then. But just, yeah, continue to talk amongst yourselves because, you know, here it's taking me some time, but I kind of liked that I could just do that. And, you know, the Stampin' Up! Art team who design all of these, they're so remarkably talented that why wouldn't I want to take advantage of their skills? So let me just deal with all of those over there and drop them in my lap. I did drop one on the floor. Seriously. And now I can't pick it up. I'll have to pick it up afterwards. I'm going to be there an hour otherwise. Don't let me forget to pick it up, everybody. Right. So, Okay, so I wibbled a little bit on that one, but I'm not going to worry. I'll tuck that under something. Right, where's my dimensionals? Well, apparently I'm using black ones today. I don't know where my white ones have gone. And I ordered more recently. Could be anywhere. So I'm going to start with the biggest one first. And then where was the one that I wibbled? This one. So if I put that there, then I can cover the wibbled bit. I'll have that on there. And that is done. They're so pretty, seriously. Why would you not want to use the talents of the art team from Stampin' Up? But I love them. So yeah, slightly squished out and definitely squished in. Easy peasy. I just make things look complicated sometimes. Best not forget to pick up that die. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.